In2ition Realty has been doing some great work for to support Feed Mississauga. Tell us a little bit about that program, what it all entails, and what you folks are up to.
A combination of everything. We've fundraised within our community, both our work family, our colleagues, our builder community. We've done a lot of volunteering work. Even has been regularly posting some of our volunteers that go out on Saturday mornings and help deliver. I mean, there are some weekends it's been 1,200 meals, or this weekend they're hoping it'll be 1,500 meals. So it's a substantial amount of work to get these to these people's front doors. We're mainly delivering to people that are stuck in their homes, the elderly, the sick, the ones that have bad immunodiseases, potentially for whatever reason, either physically or mentally ill and can't leave their residences now. So these need to be, doorstep deliveries basically. So they're time consuming, and a lot of volunteers. Like I think 2 weeks ago we had 125 volunteers come out.
What are some of the other charitable initiatives In2ition's involved with? I understand you're quite active in many different areas.
Well, over the years, I'm sure you guys were quite familiar that we helped co-found the Race for Humanity, which was a charity that basically raised funds for Habitat for Humanity. So ourselves, along with our build partners and the Toronto Star, co-founded and ran that for a decade very successfully. But for us, being involved in a charity has been part of our work life and our sort of work culture. We don't believe in only giving back during crisis mode. As individuals in our work culture, we've been involved with many charities, and everybody has contributed a lot of their valuable time to these various charities. So Race for Humanity was ran for a decade. A couple of years ago, we founded the In2ition Scholarship Fund. This provides a 4-year scholarship to a deserving young person who may have not had the opportunity otherwise to attend a post-secondary education, and it's somebody who is financially challenged. So that's one of our latest ones. We've been involved with now, Twas the Bite Before Christmas, and now Feed Mississauga. And so we're always looking for various endeavors to participate in. We've been involved in the shoebox drive at Christmas time for the last 5 years. We've donated hundreds and hundreds of shoeboxes, and it's become quite the event at our office where everybody a couple of weeks before Christmas brings their kids in on a Friday or Saturday, and we put together these shoeboxes that are aimed for ladies in shelters and their families. So that's become one of our sort of linchpin charities also.
Kudos to you folks for all that you're doing. It's going to be a lot of work. It sounds like you're as busy doing that as you are doing your day job, and we really thank you for that, and we really thank you for your time today, and hope to talk to you again soon.
Thank you, Wayne. We appreciate the opportunity, and if anybody wants to pitch in, they can either go on to our In2ition Realty website or the Feed Mississauga website, Instagram page, any of their social media handles, and please feel free. Every bit helps. Like this week we got a list from Children's Aid, that there are a shortage of diapers and formula, so $25, $35, $50. We're not asking necessarily for big donations. Every little bit helps. Again, thank you for the opportunity for us to talk to you about this, and stay safe and healthy.